Hi guys! Welcome to my class. Please subscribe so that you will be notified on the next lesson. Then like and share so that you can also help other students. Our topic for today is about ratio. You are going to learn it here the easy way. Our lesson today is to write a ratio in simplest form and to compare categorical data using ratios. A ratio is a relationship between two things when expressed in numbers or amounts. For example, there are 3 red flowers and 2 yellow flowers in a vase. The ratio of red to yellow is 3:2 or 3:2. Let us work on this example so that you will be guided. Write the ratio in simplest form that compares the number of glasses to the number of blue mugs. Then explain its meaning. How many glasses do we have and how many mugs do we have here? We can write the ratio of the number of glasses all over the number of the blue mugs. We have 6 glasses here and 8 mugs. Therefore, we can write the ratio as 6/8. But we are required to write the ratio in simplest form. So, we are going to look for the common factor of 6 and 8. The common factor of 6 and 8 is 2. So, we are going to divide 6/8 by 2/2. There are 3 2's in 6 and there are 4 2's in 8. So, the simplest form is 3/4. The ratio of glasses to blue mugs is 3:4 or 3:4. This means that for every 3 glasses, there are 4 blue mugs. Let's work on another example so that you can understand it well. Write the ratio in simplest form that compares the number of short sleeves polo shirt to the number of long sleeves polo shirts. Then explain its meaning. We are going to write the number of short sleeves polo shirt over the number of long sleeve polo shirts so that we can find the ratio. There are 5 short sleeves polo shirts and 15 long sleeves polo shirts. So the ratio is 5/15. 5/15 is not yet in the simplest form. We are going to look for the common factor of 5 and 15. The common factor of 5 and 15 is 5. So, we are going to divide 5/15 by 5/5. There is 1 5 in 5 and there are 3 5's in 15. So, the simplest form of 5/15 is 1/3. The meaning of 1/3 is, for every short sleeves polo shirt, there are 3 long sleeves polo shirts. Let us work on this example so that you can understand it more. Grade 6 students choose their favorite subject in school. Write the ratio that compares the number who choose math to the total number of students. The table is shown below. The number of students who voted math is 20. And the total number of students is 80. We are going to add 12 plus 10 plus 20 plus 8 plus 30 is equal to 80. So the ratio is 20/80. 20/80 is not yet in simplest form. We are going to look for the common factor of 20 and 80. The common factor is 20. So, we are going to divide 20/80 by 20/20. There are 120 in 20 and there are 4 20's in 80. Therefore, the simplest form of 20/80 is 1/4. This means that the ratio is 1/4, 1:4 or 1:4. So, 1 out of 4 students chooses math as their favorite subject. What about this example? Wadima wants to divide her 42 markers into 2 groups so that the ratio is 2:5. Let us make a bar that represents 42 and we are going to cut it into 2 to 5. So 2 plus 5 is 7. We are going to divide 42 by 7. You can see that there are 2 parts and 5 parts. So 2 plus 5 is 7. Therefore, 42 divided by 7 is 6. There will be 6 markers in each bar. I place 6 in each bar so that you can understand it well. The first part is 2 times 6, which is 12, and the second part is 5 times 6, which is 30. To counter-check if our answer is correct, let us add 12 plus 30 is 42. So, our answer is correct. Therefore, there are 12 markers in one group and 30 in the other group. Easy, right? To wrap it up, if you're going to look for the ratio between the relationship of two things, put it into fraction. If the ratio is not yet in the simplest form, look for the common factor of the numerator and denominator. Then, divide that fraction by that common factor so that you can come up with the simplest form. Okay? Now guys, I will never stop reminding you what Sheikh Zayed wrote for us. Education is like a lantern which lights your way in a dark alley. We always need to give importance to our education. In case you have confusion on some part of our lesson, I want you to go back, revise it again, watch it again slowly, carefully, and I know you can get it. Life is a math equation. You cannot get the most of it if you cannot convert the negative into positive. I want you guys to score high in math. Be wise and healthy. Till next math lesson. Be safe, okay? Bye-bye.